and now they want particular solution. How to find particular solution? They'll give x and y value, substitute them. So x and y, x is 2 and y is 0. They want particular solution. Particular solution means what? You need to find x and y also. In order to find x and y, they give rule number 2, functions of x should be with dx. So I transferred this. Now integrate both sides. General solution means after you integrate, you'll have integral constant called c. This is general solution. Always first we should do separating the variables, then we need to integrate and we need to get general solution. General solution means what? It will have integral constant. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class I continued differential equations. Today also I'll be doing the same, that is differential equations by separating the variables. In the exercise 9.4, from problem 11 to 14, they want you to find particular solution. Particular solution means after you find general solution, you should also find the value of c. Now coming to this, they gave x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus x. At y equal to 1, x is 0 they gave. First we should convert it into general solution. So now all of you know the rule number 1, d term should not be in denominator, dy let it be. This is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 2x square plus x into dx. Denominator dx I will transfer it to RHS. And you know this is dy is in numerator. The first step is d term should be in numerator. If d terms is in denominator, first you have to transfer them to what? Numerator. So here dx was in denominator, I transferred to RHS, it will become into dx. Now functions of x should be with dx. So let dy be here is equal to 2x square plus x divided by, transfer this term to RHS. So it will become x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Now dy value we have, we need to simplify. So dy is equal to 2x square plus x divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx. Here I cannot do substitution. If I differentiate this, I'll get 3x square. So but if you carefully observe, I can group them. So 2x square plus x. In numerator I can take x common. In numerator I can take x common. If I do that, I will be having 2x plus 1. In denominator, in these two I can take x common. So it will become, x square common. So it will become x plus 1 plus x plus 1. Again in denominator x plus 1 you can take common, x into 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. If I take common, I will be left out with x square plus 1. So now you can observe, if I take x square plus 1 as t, derivative of x square is what? 2x. And we can split this. So now we have x into this. So now this can be integrated both sides. Integrating LHS is easy. Integration of this is y, but to integrate this we should use partial fraction method. So integration of x into 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. So I'll take only RHS. In RHS we have x into x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. We can write it as a by first factor. What is the first factor? X plus 1 plus second factor. This is not factorizable, so I can write bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Call it as 1. Now we need to find a, b and c. So take LCM, so it will become a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1, that is x into 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So I can cancel the denominators. We'll get x into 2x plus 1, the numerator, is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. So now at a time, call it as 2. At a time, we have to equate one of the factor to 0. The first factor is x plus 1. If I take x plus 1 is equal to 0, x will become minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. In the place of x, if you put minus 1, this is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1. And here, it will be minus 1, the whole square is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, a into 2. And this will become 0 because x is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. From this, you will get a. So this is minus 1, minus of minus becomes plus 1 by 2. So you got a value. What is a? Half. Now equate the coefficients of x square. Equate coefficient of x square on both sides. So LHS 2x into x to x square. So we'll have 2. Here RHS will have a and bx into x will become plus b and c will not have. So a is half. So half you substitute. So b will become 2 minus half. So 2 minus 1 by 2, it will become 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. You got b value 3 by 2. Now you need to find c. Equate the coefficient of x on both sides. So if x into 1 is 1, equating coefficient of x on both sides. So this will become 1. Here a into 1 we don't get, bx into 1, so b, and c plus b. B is half, so that implies c is 1 minus b, that is 1 minus half is half. C is half. You got ABC. A is half, C is half, C is 1 minus C. 1 minus B, sorry, here 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So now I'll substitute all the values. So remember, we got this part. What is that? Till this part I can erase. So let me erase the remaining part. So copy till this part and later I'll do here. So now I'll take y is equal to integration of, in spite of x, in spite of that we can write a divided by x plus 1 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 1 dx. This was the problem. Now you got ABC value, integration of, what is a? You got half, 1 by 2 times x plus 1 dx plus integration of bx. What is bx? B is 3 by 2, 3 by 2x plus c. What is c? C is 1 minus b, 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 divided by x square plus 1 dx. That is y is equal to, 1 by 2 is constant, this will become log of x plus 1 plus, see here 3 by 2, by 2 you can take 1 by 2 common, so it will become 3x, I'll split this, 3 by 2 or x divided by x square plus 1 dx is one term, minus 1 by 2 I can take out, 1 divided by x square plus 1 dx. So now further let us erase this part, whatever we got. We need to integrate and we need to find particular solution. So I hope all of you copied this part. From here we'll continue. 1 by 2 is constant, integration of this plus integration of, I'll write 3 by 2 x divided by x square plus 1 separately dx minus 1 by 2 by x square plus 1 dx separately. So now y is equal to half log x plus 1. You can write it as log of root. 3 by 2 is constant, take it out, 3 by 2. Integration of x by x square plus 1, you can do method of substitution. If you do method of substitution, it will become dt by 2 by t and minus, sorry. Minus 1 by 2, I'll take it out, integration of, I am left out with dx by x square plus 1. So simplify this, so you'll have y is equal to log of root of x plus 1 I can write, m log a, power half agata. So 3 by 2 By 2 you take it out, it will become 3 by 4. And log t. Log t. T is what? Denominator. Log x square plus 1. Half plus half. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square is tan inverse. So it is tan inverse x plus c. So now whatever you got is general solution. We got y is equal to log of root of x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 log of x square plus 1 plus tan inverse x plus c. So this is general solution. They want particular solution. Particular solution means what? You need to find x and y also. In order to find x and y, they give when y is 1, say we should find c. When y is 1, x is 0. In the place of y put 1, in the place of x put 0. So in the place of x put 0, y 1 in this equation. In 1, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in 1. This is given in the problem. In the place of x, y, I will put 1. In the place of x, if I put 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, log 1 is 0, plus 3 by 4. In the place of x, put 1, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, it will become log 2, plus tan inverse, in the place of x, put 0, tan inverse 0 is c. So you got c. C is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 log 2. So further you can write in terms of log or substitute it. If I take c is equal to what? 4 minus, or you can take 2 power 3 by 2. 1 minus log 2 power 3 by 4. Or you can leave it here. Call it as 2. Substitute 2 in 1. That is particular solution. So now put the value of c. See here, wherever x is there, I put 0. This will become x value 0 hakadre. Log 1 is 0. Leave it. This is 0, leave it. This will become log 2, 1 square, 0, sorry, here. In the place of x, we need to put 0, right? So 0 square. So this is also log 1. Log 1 is again 0. See now here, in the place of x, put 0, and in the place of y, put 1. Wherever x is there, put 0. Wherever y is there, put 1. 1 log of 0 plus 1, 3 by 4 log of 0 square plus 1 plus tan inverse 0 plus c. So 1 is equal to log 1. Log 1, see log root of 1 plus 0 is 1 and log 1, all of you know. What is log 1? So log 1 is 0, directly you write. Here log, see you have 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, root 1 is 1, log 1 is 0. Plus 0 plus 1 is 1. See log 1 value. What is log 1? 0. This is important. So this will become 0 plus 0 plus c. So you got c. C is equal to 1. Put c is equal to 1 in equation 1. So finally put 2 in 1. So what is equation 1? Y is equal to this whole thing. Y is equal to what? Log of root of x plus 1. Let me erase the right part. So 2 means c value. Substitute c value in this. That is this is general solution. In general solution, find c and put it. It will be particular solution. So that will be 3 by 4 log of x square plus 1 plus tan inverse x plus c. What is c? 1. This is the particular solution. Y is equal to log of root of x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 log of x square plus 1 plus tan inverse x. General solution means after you integrate, you'll have integral constant called c. This is general solution. This whole thing is what? General solution. After you find the value of c. To find the value of c, in the problem only they gave x and y. They gave y values 1, x value 0. So here in the place of y and x you substitute, you will get c. That c resubstitute in this equation, you will get the particular solution. Then for again you should find particular solution. So x into x square minus 1 is equal to d into dy by dx equal to 1. Rule is same. X into x square minus 1 into dy is equal to dx. Can I write? Transfer dx that side. So dy is equal to dx divided by x into x square minus 1. So now we separated the variables. Rule number 1, d term should be in numerator, I transferred it. Rule number 2, functions of x should be with dx, so I transferred this. Now integrate both sides. RHS integration of dy is LHS. RHS is integration of dx divided by x square minus 1. So we can do this by partial fraction method. This is y. Integration of, I can write 1 by x into x square minus 1. Can you write it as x plus 1 into x minus 1 dx? One of the method. So you will take RHS. In RHS we have 1 by x into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1. I'll write it as a by x plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x minus 1. Call it as equation 1. Now in the place of x, put 0, the first factor. Before that, take LCM. 1 divided by x into x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x plus 1 divided by x into x plus 1 into x minus 1. I can cancel this too. So I am left out with numerator, that is 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x plus 1. Call it as equation 2. Now we should find ABC. At a time equate one factor to 0. The first factor is x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in equation 2. So this is 1. Here in the place of x, if you put 0, a into 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1. Here in the place of x, if you put 0, this whole thing becomes 0. Here if you put 0, this whole thing becomes 0, because 0 into anything is 0, leave it. So a into minus 1 is minus a. So a will become minus 1 if you simplify. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus a is 1 or a is minus 1. Now second factor. What is the second factor here? Second factor is x plus 1. Equate x plus 1 to 0. If you equate x plus 1 to 0, that implies x is what? Minus 1. So put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Wherever x is there, put minus 1. Here we don't have x, LHS is 1. Here x plus 1 we equated to 0. If you put x as minus 1, this will become 0. This whole term is gone. And again, in this b into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. And this x plus 1 will become 0. So leave it. So 1 is equal to minus 1 is minus 2. Minus into minus becomes plus 2. 2b. So b is half. Then third term, x minus 1 equated to 0. That implies x is equal to what? 1 in equation 2. So in the place of x, if you put 1, 1 is equal to, in the place of x, if you put 1, this whole term is 0, this whole term is 0, we'll get c. C into x, x is what? 1 into 1 plus 1. So we'll get c is equal to what? 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 ones are 2. So c is 1 by 2. You got a, b, c. What is a? Minus 1. What is b? Half. What is c? Half. So now we need to substitute a, b, c and we need to solve. So the given problem becomes y is equal to integration of a by. So integrate both. So now, in spite of writing 1 by x into x plus 1, I will write a by x plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x minus 1 dx. And further you substitute. So I will erase this particular part. So y is equal to integration of, what is a you got? Minus 1 by x plus what is b you got? B is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 times x plus 1 plus what is c you got? C value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x minus 1. The whole thing with respect to what? Dx. Now all are integrable, integrated. Integration of minus, take it out. Integration of 1 by x is log x. 1 by 2 is constant, take it out. This will become log of x plus 1. And 1 by 2 is constant, take it out. This will become log of x minus 1 plus c. This is general solution. And now they want particular solution. How to find particular solution? They'll give x and y value, substitute them. So x and y, x is 2 when y is 0. So x is 2 when y is 0. In the place of x put 2, in the place of y put 0. So LHS is 0. If I put x2, minus log 2 plus half log 3 plus half log 2 minus 1 is 1 plus c. You know log 1 is 0. 0 minus log 2 I can write it as log root 3 half, and this is 0 plus c. You got c value. So further, so we will get c. 0 is equal to log a minus log b is log a by b, log root 3 by 2 plus c, or c is equal to minus log root 3 by 2, or we can say c is log 2 by root 3, reverse, call it as 2. So substitute 2 in 1. So put 2 in 1. So equation 1 becomes what? Y is equal to, first write positive terms, half log x plus 1, half you can take common in these two, plus log x minus 1, then minus log x plus log root 2 by root 3. Further you can simplify, you can write y is equal to log a plus log b is log a into b, so it will become log of a into b. A into b is what? X plus 1 into x minus 1, that is x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1 under root. Then we are left out with minus log x. Minus log x can be written as by plus log of 2 by root 3. This is a particular solution. You can compress the log values into any one of the standard form or nearest standard forms. Then cos of dy by dx equal to a, at y equal to 2, x is 0, find the particular solution. See, now transfer cos to RHS. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is cos inverse of a. And what is dy? Cos inverse of a into dx. Now it is integrable, integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. So integration of dy is equal to integration of cos inverse a into dx. Integration of dy is y, integration of cos inverse a is constant, cos inverse a into x plus c. So the final answer is y is equal to x into cos inverse a plus c. This is general solution. But they want particular solution, means y to x0 you substitute. Y is 2 and x is what? 0. That's what is given. So substitute x value and y value. So 2 is equal to 0 into cos inverse a plus c. All of you know 0 into anything is 0. So 2 is equal to c. So now you got c value. Substitute equation 2 in 1. Substitute equation 2 in 1. So what is equation 1? Y is equal to x cos inverse a plus c, in spite of c plus 2. This is the particular solution. Always first we should do separating the variables, then we need to integrate and we need to get general solution. General solution means what? It will have integral constant and they will give conditions. If you refer the problem, they given y and x values. In the place of y put 2, in the place of x put 0. These two are given in the problem and you will get c. After you get c, substitute c back in the equation 1. So this is what you will do in your chemical kinetics of science, that is chemistry and nuclear physics. So we will do particular solution. They are all differential equations. Next, dy by dx is equal to y tan x. When y is 1, x is 0. So can I write it as dy divided by y is equal to tan x into dx. Now variable is separated. Now integration of dy by y is log y. Integration of tan x, tan y is log of secant x plus c. Or let us, this is a particular solution. General solution, sorry. And they told y is 1, x is 0. In the place of x put 0, in the place of y put 1. So LHS becomes log 1, RHS becomes log of secant 0 plus c. Now log 1, all of you know 0, log secant 0. Secant 0 is the reciprocal of cos 0. You know cos 0 is 1, secant 0 is also 1. So we'll get log 1. So all of you know again log 1 is 0. So c is 0. So again you got c value as 0. Call it as equation 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. In 1. What is equation 1? Log y is equal to log of secant x plus c. C is what? 0. So answer is log y is equal to log secant x. Log you can cancel. So y is equal to secant x is the answer. I hope all of you understood this. Find the equation of the curve. They wanted to find the equation of the curve passing through 0, 0. The curve is passing through 0, 0. Differential equation is given. Y dash is equal to e power x sin x. So can I say they gave dy by dx? Y dash x means what? Dy by dx is what? E power x sin x. Now do separating the variables. All of you know rule 1. Dx should not be in denominator. Transfer it. So e power x sin x dx. Now it is variable separated. Next, integrate both sides. LHS. What is integration of dy? Y. Integration of e power x sin x. So integrating this is important. So RHS, I can take it as I and you can solve it. Or we have this as y, we can solve it also. So let I is equal to e power integration of e power x sin x dx. So call this as 1. I. So first find the I value. So parts, what is parts? First function into integration of second function minus integration of second function into derivative of first function into dx. Further, I is equal to e power x into, what is integration of sin x? You know, integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of sin x is minus cos x into d by dx of e power x is e power x dx. Now further this can be written as minus e power x cos x. I'll take minus into minus becomes plus e power x cos x dx. Again you can use parts for this. Apply parts, integration by parts. I is equal to minus e power x cos x plus e power x into integration of cos x minus integration of cos x into derivative of e power x dx. Further that will become I is equal to minus e power x cos x plus e power x into integration of cos x is sin x minus integration of sin x into derivative e power x is e power x dx. So you can see the given problem we got. I'll write I is equal to minus e power x cos x plus e power x sin x minus, I'll rewrite it as e power x first then sin x. Now you can see this is a given problem. So here what is I? Integration of e power x sin x dx is I. So I can write this as I is equal to minus e power x sin x plus e power x cos x. Then we have minus e power x. So in the we'll simplify as much as possible. That is, I'll write this as, in these two I'll take e power x common. If I take e power x common, first I'll write positive sin x, then minus cos x. Then this remaining term, this term is the given problem, minus I. Bring minus I to this side, it will come 2i. 2i is e power x into sin x minus cos x. And I is what? I is equal to, transfer 2 to this side, it will become e power x by 2 into sin x minus cos x. So call this as 2. So put 2 in 1. What is 1? Y is equal to this. Y is equal to I. So then it will become y is equal to, I means given problem, e power x by 2 sin x, and always after integration we should put 1 plus c. Sin x minus cos x plus c. So this is the, see here we wanted this value, we got integration separately. I am substituting general solution. They want particular solution. So at point 0, 0. At point 0, 0 means your x and y both are 0. In the place of y put 0. In the place of x put 0. So it becomes sin 0 minus cos 0. So that you will get c. You know this is 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 1 by 2. Sin 0 is 0. 0 minus 1. So plus c. So it will be minus of c is positive half. Now substitute c in this equation 3. This is general solution. Put 2 in 3. Say call it as 4. Substitute 4 in 3. So if you substitute 4 in 3, equation 3. What is equation 3? Y is equal to e power x by 2 into sin x minus cos x, then plus c. In the place of c, half. Plus 1 by 2. This is the particular solution. At 0, 0 means x and y values both you put 0 and 0. So you will get c. I hope all of you understood. So now we have done Particular solutions. What is particular solution? Same. First find general solution and they'll give x and y values, substitute them. Sometimes directly they'll give x and y. Sometimes they'll tell point. When you substitute, you'll get C, so you'll get the required result. Hope all of you understood. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending.